Okay, so here's a rainwater collector. So this is a DIY. So let's start collecting water, rainwater, and then reuse this one. So this is not quite simple. You need some construction materials like cement and PVC pipe. So here are the materials that you need. So let's start with the drum to prepare this one. So you need to cut half of the topmost as your cover, and then you put some hinge or rubber to open it anytime. Then you can install also the faucet. So you just make it around 1 inch below the bottom. So if you have already a gutter or downspout, this is very easy. You just need to set the drum and then the downspout and your panel and with foam as acting as filter. So you can collect water from this. So if no gutter yet, so you need to produce like a gutter type collector. So first you need to have a stable drum holder or riser. So you need to do some cementing here. So make sure it can carry the weight of the water because it's so heavy depending on the size of the drum. Then you prepare the drum together with the foam and collector panel. So I prepared the half cut PVC acting as like a gutter, and then I use a GI stainless sheet and attach it to the roof and PVC. So this one will collect water from my roof and panel it to my drum. So here it goes. So it's just a simple. I use call this a reusable bottle, plastic bottle, and then try to collect. So this is the finished product. So you can use also a hose for the faucet, so it's easy to transfer your water, or you can water the plant immediately. So this is how it looks like in fine weather. And then this is how it looks like when it's raining, when it started to collect the rainwater. Okay, that's it. Thank you.